Round 1.
Alright, so we'll start with Young Stunna. Young Stunna is without a doubt one of the biggest success stories to come out of the Amapiano movement, and today we're breaking down his net worth, his lifestyle, and how he's been stacking his money over the years. If you've been following South African music closely, then you already know that Young Stunna didn't just blow up overnight, but when his moment came, it came hard, you know? Young Stunna is an Amapiano artist who made his massive breakthrough in 2021 with hit songs like Baxolele and Adiwele. These songs didn't just dominate the streets, they took over radio, clubs, playlists, and social media. From that moment on, his career shifted into a whole new gear. Since 2021, Young Stunna has been gigging non-stop, performing at packed venues all over South Africa and even stepping onto international stages. And as we all know, in the music industry, live performances are one of the biggest sources of income. With his demand staying high, it's safe to say he's been earning serious money from shows alone. Now let's talk about his lifestyle. Young Stunna is the proud owner of a Mercedes-Benz AMG A35, a sporty and luxurious car that perfectly matches his image. The AMG A35 comes with a powerful engine, sleek design and high-end interior, and in South Africa, this car is estimated to be around 1.2 million rands. That alone tells you that the money is definitely coming in. When it comes to where he lives, Young Stunna keeps things low-key. What we do know is that he stays in a well-secured estate in the suburbs of Johannesburg. No flashy house tours, no oversharing, just quiet luxury and peace of mind. So how exactly does Young Stunna make his money? First and foremost, it's music, streaming, downloads and royalties. Then you have performances, both locally and internationally. On top of that, brand deals play a huge role. One of the major brands he's currently working with is Puma, and from the outside, their relationship looks solid and long-term. Being associated with a global brand like Puma does not just boost his income, it also elevates his brand as an artist. When you put all of this together, the hit songs, constant gigs, international exposure, luxury car, secure living, and big brand partnerships, it's clear that Young Stunna is living comfortably and building long-term wealth. While his exact net worth hasn't been officially confirmed, one thing is certain: Young Stunna is earning well-deserved money and setting himself up for a lasting career in the music industry. From the streets to the world stage, Young Stunna is proof that consistency, talent, and timing can change your life. Moving on to Scott Maphuma. Scott is one of the fastest rising names in the Amapiano scene, and in a very short space of time, he's already started living like a star. Scott Maphuma is an Amapiano artist and DJ whose career took off in 2024. Songs like Yebo Lapho and Egoli became instant crowd favorites, earning heavy rotation in clubs, festivals, and playlists across the country. Those records didn't just introduce him to the streets, they announced him as a serious contender in the game. Since his breakthrough, Scott Maphuma has been gigging nationwide and has also taken his sound beyond South Africa, performing in countries like the United Kingdom. As we know, international bookings usually come with bigger bags, meaning his income has grown rapidly in a short time. Now let's talk about his lifestyle. Scott Maphuma drives a BMW M4 G82, one of the most aggressive and powerful sports cars in BMW's lineup. The M4 G82 features a twin-turbo engine, sharp performance, and a bold design that turns heads everywhere it goes. In South Africa, this car is estimated to be worth around 2 million rands, which already tells you that business is going very well. You get me? When it comes to where he lives, Scott keeps things private. Just like Young Stunna, he stays in a well-secured estate in the burbs of Johannesburg, choosing comfort and security over unnecessary attention. So how does Scott Maphuma make his money? His income mainly comes from music releases and live performances. With his songs still gaining momentum and his booking schedule staying busy, it's clear that he's building his net worth steadily and strategically. While his exact net worth hasn't been officially confirmed as well, one thing is clear: Scots Mapuma is part of the new wave of Amapiano artists who are turning hits into real wealth. From local clubs to international stages, this is only the beginning for Scots Mapuma, and if the momentum continues, his numbers will only go up. And there you have it, Young Stunna versus Scots Mapuma, two Amapiano heavyweights, two different journeys, but both really winning when it comes to the bag. Whether it's Young Stunna's consistency and long-term dominance or Scots Mapuma's fast rise and international momentum, one thing is clear, Amapiano is paying off big time. Now the real question is, who do you think is winning this wealth battle? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and share this video with your friends so they can join the debate. More fire content coming your way. Until next time, stay blessed and keep streaming Amapiano. Amapiano to the world. Amapiano to the world.